Welcome back. If you've ever dropped your smartphone and cracked your screen, you know it isn't just the cost of the repair that's going to be a hassle. It's the time to take to search for a repair shop, drive there, wait for them to fix it. But Cellmedic makes it all easier. They come to you when and where you want them to. Here with more on this convenient service is Ryan and Brett. Good morning, guys. How are you? Which one do we have?
I'm Ryan.
Ryan, sorry. Thought Brett might be there too. Hey, Ryan, talk about phone repair anywhere. I like the sound of this.
Yeah. It's something we've been doing for a few years now. And we pride ourselves on being the most convenient phone option or phone repair option here in Grand Rapids. And we also have service areas in Lansing and Kalamazoo. And just to kind of show you what we do, I've got one of my technicians, Brett. Hello. And he's doing a battery replacement on an iPhone 7 here. And this is pretty much how we do most of our repairs in a mobile setting. And we do offer more complex repairs and micro soldering and liquid damage and all sorts of other cell phone repairs that we can't do necessarily on the spot.
I think we might be losing your audio just a little bit, Ryan, but that was my next question. I mean, this is neat. I mean, they'll drive to your home, right? They'll sit in your driveway and get this taken care of for you.
This works. Break yourself. Not looking to spend a lot, so we keep our prices pretty competitive.
Now, do you have technicians just in Grand Rapids? What's your service area? Where do you cover?
Oh, well, we cover from Allendale to Ada and from Belmont to Byron Center here in Grand Rapids. And we've also got technicians down in Kalamazoo and over in Lansing. And yeah, there's our contact phone numbers for each of those service areas.
Perfect.
And
what about,
usually,
Ryan, what about this? Let's say that I'm not at a place, or maybe I'm out of the area and I do need to get to a store, but I don't, maybe going in isn't something I have time for. Do you have any curbside service?
Yes, we do. Over at our office over in Grandville, right near 28th Street in Wilson, we have our curbside location where we can have customers drop off their phone and have it fixed in about 30 minutes and back in their hands, and off they go.
Hey, Ryan, one other question. When it comes to what repairs can be done with this service, I mean, this sounds really convenient, but what's the line on, okay, now I have to take it in because of so-and-so?
Well, usually water damage is something that we don't like to try to tackle with our mobile technicians, but we can, in some circumstances, get a water damage device working mobile. But if there's motherboard damage or if there's something that we have to put under the microscope, then we typically have to bring that back to the office or have it as a curbside appointment.
I do love this option, though. Boy, it sounds all pretty convenient. So let's say, okay, I like to refer to it as the spiderweb app. When you see somebody who has that cracked screen, I'm like, oh yeah, I have that app too. So if that happens to someone, say they got a cracked screen on their phone right now, how do they get your tech to them so they can make it super convenient and just hand them the phone?
Yeah, you can go onto our website at cellmedicphonerepair.com and fill out the contact information, and we'll send a technician to anywhere in town that you happen to be.
Ryan, man,
we can come to
cut out again. Sorry about that, Ryan. Just technical difficulty. Sometimes that signal drops, but it sounds super convenient. Cellmedic phone repair anywhere. By the way, there is a discount. If you mention that you saw this on Fox 17's Morning Mix, you're going to get $5 off on your repair. Just like that. Free money to use for your repair just by mentioning Fox 17 Morning Mix. Ryan, thank you so much for the time.
Thanks for having me, Todd.
Absolutely. Go to cellmedicphonerepair.com and don't worry about finding a shop and getting in your car and going. They'll come to you.